start as soon as possible. So we're gonna have a lot of stuff of our own designs, and I think it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be really good, and yeah. So, but I am ready to go to Bali. You ready?
Yeah. Well, I'll probably have to hold the board down here, but
Yeah.
you'll send me lots of good pictures of surprises. Who's the freaking these animals? These customers. These are for you, Felicity. Yeah. Before we get into the beauty assortment, I just wanted to throw this out quickly for Melissa, because Melissa's actually something that was rust color, that are a absolute must for you to. So drop the measurement in. They are 1.5 on the drop. They are like so many of our girls bought these in different gemstones, and so everyone was in the chat like, get them, Melissa, they're so good. We only have green onyx, black onyx, and carnelian. That's it. Everything else is sold out. They were $42.99. Are you doing math? They are. Save 25.
32 and change.
$32 and change.
And these are also handcrafted. And when I saw these earrings, I want to say, why did I bring these earrings? Is as soon as I saw the carnelian, I was like, oh my god, this is the most beautiful. Yeah, and as well as the green onyx. Also, I love green onyx. I love green onyx. I love carnelian. I worked so much with these two gemstones also previously. So.
Sunday, every man for himself.
Mira que te dije que sin avivar la llama del amor, crece y no menguar.
All of them. So the black onyx is beautiful. The green, like all the colors are gorgeous. I liked the shape. I thought the shape was really cool. Like it's an unusual, kind of an unusual shape. So those are for you, Melissa. I just wanted to pop them up quickly because I know we're almost gone. But what are they? $32 for genuine. Like that's amazing for gemstones of that carat weight too. Like they are very sizable carat weight.
You know, yeah, it's a great gift. It would be a very
这个烧给谁弄啊？这200块钱给你。200块钱给你。
But I'm just gonna show a couple because Jenny was
So
sorry.
你看看这，看看这里边有个，哎，
Look at how pretty the green is.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9。
It's not the color at all. It's not
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Hold on, it could be. Just wait for 1 second. Yeah, I'm just making sure.
Yeah,
Just
so
so just see.
it's not only that, so we do have this, and also
Oh, yeah, hold on. No, it's save 25 Melissa. Save 25.
yeah,
Save
so
25.
that's the black onyx, and that's the green onyx. So you have a choice of green onyx. Any of this you get, you're not.
Carnelian earring